We have literally been doing events for a long time, bordering a decade. And when I say doing them by ourselves, it seems like you're okay, you have it under control. But when we hired Wendi, it was next level. We don't even remember life before her. All we know is we're going to have her for every event. In fact, for my one-on-one retreats, I'm hiring her to plan those now. I'm gonna hire her to plan every event. It was so seamless, so professional. Wendi understood the vision, she understood the assignment. It was like I told her exactly what I wanted and she put it in real 3D format in the most amazing way. And it was beautiful, it was everything I wanted. And then if she was ever without any kind of, if she had confusion, she would ask me and get clarity. But when I came here and I walked in, she nailed it. Wendi worked with us and held our hand planning this event for over 6 months. Every week we were on a call, and I'm talking, she is the queen of spreadsheets. She knows every line item at a detailed level. Not only that, she went to our storage facility and organized everything. We have multiple events, and she made all of the chaos and put it into an organized system so that now, as she runs our events in the future, she knows, and she color-coded it. It's amazing. She held our hand, went through the entire process with us so that we never felt we were uncertain about anything. We always knew she was in control, we always knew what the plan was, and she was always on top of everything.
Everyone thinks that an event planner is someone you work with a little bit and then it's just about the event. And it's just, it's like the Titanic, the iceberg. You see the little bit of this and there's so much more to it. And working with Wendi, as meticulous as she is, as organized, there was so much work that we would always have to do, and sometimes we wouldn't even remember things, we would miss things. She didn't miss anything, and she made the whole process so easy for us. It saved us more hours than I can imagine and made us look professional at a level I didn't even realize was possible. Their team is amazing.
It is the best investment that you will ever make in your life. Hiring her it bought me my time back. I didn't have to worry about the details. I didn't have to worry about the little things that might go wrong. I didn't have to negotiate things. In fact, she saved us so much money just negotiating with the hotel for us, negotiating with all of the services that we needed for the event. Saved us almost as much as her services were. So she's absolutely worth it. So on top of saving all of that money, then we had her and we could lean on her. It's the best investment that we made this year. We keep saying that even.
We've said that no fewer than 7 times in the last month.
Yeah.
Wendi is the best investment we have made in our business this year.
Wendi, you made my dreams come true. This was my dream event. I'm gonna get teary. Thank you. I love you. And I can't wait for Unshackled.
And Wendi, I love you because of how happy you have made Jen. We have never worked with someone like you, as professional as you are. Your heart, your brain, everything. We are absolutely infatuated with you and
obsessed.
Everything you did. Thank you for making this happen. It was absolutely perfect, and we love you.